What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Freedom Renovations. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Thank you so much for tuning in to our newest video. If you guys are new to our channel, we take the nastiest, most rundown houses and turn them into somebody's dream home. So if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you stop right now, smash that subscribe button, because you are not going to want to miss out on this entire build. As you can see, guys, I am completely filthy. I have been after it all day. This is an exciting one. You're not going to want to miss it, so make sure you stay tuned. But without further ado, guys, let me take you around and show you this full before. Alrighty, guys, here we are in front of our newest project for 2025. We are going to call this house the Bark House because, as you can see on the siding, we currently have a real cedar wood bark look. Let me know in the comment box below what you guys think about this siding. We are going back and forth about whether or not we're going to take it off and do traditional siding. But as you can see, it is not a bad start, guys. This is a beautiful 2,000 square foot home in a well-desired neighborhood. We have a brand new garage door. It needs some TLC out here on the outside, but really just a cool, neat, old custom home built in 1984. But pretty cool start, guys. Super excited about this one. As you walk up the entrance, it's got some custom stairs leading you straight up, a really cool tree, just a neat, warm vibe, some brick to break up the entrance, and just a really cool, secluded walkway up to your front door. But this is the siding I'm talking about right here, guys. As you can see, a lot of it's really weathered. On the left-hand side right here, it's got a different stained color. My thought is maybe we can bring it back to life, get rid of that really weathered look, do a stain, and just make it really stand out in this neighborhood and be something really cool. Let me know what you guys think. But as we walk ahead, guys, nice double doors on this front door, solid wood doors. We're gonna go ahead and replace all the fixtures, of course. Alrighty, guys, welcome into our newest build. As you walk in, you'll notice we have a nice entryway here with my nemesis, a drop-down pendant light. We're gonna go ahead and eliminate that. We'll put can lighting all throughout this home, give it that really modern touch, modernize all the lighting, and just make it feel good in here. Bring lots of light in here. Right now, it's super dark. I don't know why these old houses just didn't put any lighting in these places, but we're gonna go ahead and change that. Right to the left of the door, guys, you'll notice we have a formal dining room. Once again, a nice, awesome old pendant light. We'll go ahead and take that out, put something really nice there. Brand new floors. You'll notice this house, as we walk through, has all kinds of furniture, guys. This was an estate sale, so we're still working on getting all this furniture out of here and all the property. So if you see anything that you like, drop a comment down below, and I would love to give it to you. So as we come forward into this entryway, guys, there is a nice formal living room. Lots of property in here, just ignore that. And this person was a smoker, so if I sound a little raspy, it's because this place really smells like smoke. So that'll be number one. Get this place smelling right, looking right. But we'll go ahead and put some overhead lighting in here, brighten it up. You got some nice big windows over there. They got some blackout curtains. We'll take those down, try to bring in as much natural light as we can. As we come out of that formal living room, guys, we'll walk right into this kitchen. As you will notice, super dark. I apologize, but we will go ahead and take all of these cabinets out. I have decided we're gonna take this entire kitchen down to the sticks. We're gonna add in some overhead can lighting, get rid of all these cabinets, do some nice pretty white shaker cabinets, and eliminate these overhead cabinets. I absolutely hate this kitchen for that aspect right now. It is an awesome open concept kitchen right into that cool vaulted ceiling living room. But let me go ahead and just put the camera over here real quick and show you. If you were standing in the living room and we wanted to have a conversation, I would have to duck to have a conversation with you. So we're gonna go ahead and eliminate all of this cabinetry, go ahead and extend this countertop out, create a beautiful bar top here, put some bar stools in, quartz countertops, white shaker cabinets, and just really make this kitchen something beautiful. This will be the centerpiece of this house. Just an awesome, beautiful kitchen for you to entertain and bring lots of people and actually be able to communicate with your guest. As we walk through that kitchen, we have an awesome living room here with exposed wood ceilings, beautiful beams, has a nice vault right here to the left, and that brick fireplace is gonna be the showstopper. We're gonna go ahead and build a custom mantle, beautiful lightwood floors leading up. It is gonna be beautiful in here. As we look back into that kitchen, like I said, eliminate all of that cabinetry, open this up. It'll feel nice and open, huge with these big vaulted ceilings, and be a beautiful place for the future owners to entertain. As we come out of the living room, you have a cute little laundry room leading out to your garage. Right now, it's blue. We will get rid of that hideous color. We're gonna go ahead and refinish these cabinetry, add new handles, make this place something beautiful again. Get rid of those blue cabinets in that closet. Maybe add some new doors here and just make this a cute little closet for your laundry room. I'll take you guys out here into the garage. That's been my current project for today. Like I said, this is an estate sale, so the previous owners left lots of property in here. This place is just full of junk, but it's a nice finished garage, brand new garage door, insulated garage door, which is a huge bonus. We never get that, and we also never get a finished garage with nice texture. It does have some weird paint going on in here, but we'll go ahead and repaint this entire thing, take everything out of the walls, touch up all the small holes, take the weird wiring off the ceiling, and just make this an awesome 2.5 car garage. You have a nice little space back here. You could create a little workshop. Looks like that's what they used to do. Got this custom table here. Interesting, looks like a fire hazard, but awesome little area so that you can be out away from your cars and have plenty of space to do as you please. But as we head back inside, guys, we'll go in through that laundry room, through the beautiful future kitchen, and we'll head down to the other wing of the house. It's got a nice long hallway here, lots of closet space, nice little coat closet here. These are nice solid wood doors. We're gonna go ahead and just refinish all of these, paint them white, and just get this place looking right. There's some nice big closets, plenty of room for someone to store all of their stuff. These people stored all of their magazines. They had the most magazines of anybody I've ever seen. You can see right there. I don't know, a lot of people probably won't even know what that is, but there is tapes in there. So these were definitely old people. They still kept all of their magazines, all of their tapes, and never changed a thing in this house. But just awesome. Lots of space to store your stuff. For the next person, it will be an awesome addition for their home once it's pretty and not stinky. But as we head straight down, you'll see 2 bedrooms to the right. Pretty basic bedrooms where we're gonna go ahead and rip all the carpet out, put some overhead fans. Luckily, there is no popcorn ceilings. Once again, a huge bonus for us. We don't ever get homes that don't have popcorn ceilings. Nice closet over here. We'll go ahead and put nice closet doors, new handles on everything. There is some black framed windows in this home, which is another bonus, something I really like. They are dual pane, so we're gonna go ahead and leave those and just really do a cosmetic facelift on this place, guys. We will transform it and get it looking right. The next bedroom is the worst bedroom of all. The person that had this bedroom was a smoker, and who knows what else they did. I don't even want to touch that light switch right there because it is absolutely disgusting. But you'll notice this entire bedroom is just soot from somebody smoking cigarettes, and it smells horrible. Lots of holes in the wall in this one. This was the naughty child or naughty adult, I don't know. But this person was not clean. I don't know what they were doing on the wall right there, but it's absolutely disgusting. So we'll go ahead and just replace all that sheetrock, retexture, take all the stars off the ceiling. That's the weird contrast. It was obviously an adult, but there's stars all over the ceiling. And if you'll notice on the stars, they are just dirty and disgusting. We'll change all the vents, clean this place completely up, refinish those closet doors, put new cabinetry in there, brand new floors, and get this place looking right. As you come out of those 2 bedrooms, you do have some nice towel closets here. They're in really good shape. Like I said, this is a 1984 custom home, and so it's really well built, but everything just is original. So we'll go ahead and just spruce it up. We come into the guest bath, pretty good sized bathroom. You do have a dual vanity in here. We're gonna go ahead and take that countertop off, do a nice beautiful quartz countertop, brand new lighting, go ahead and refinish these cabinets, get rid of the wallpaper, do a brand new tub in here, new tile, and just make this a beautiful guest bath. I'm guessing somebody had some bathroom problems, got angry, and punched a hole into that wall. So we'll go ahead and patch that up. You got yourself a little porta potty here, commode, get rid of that, put a brand new toilet, and just bring this place back to life. As you come out of that guest bath, guys, head into the master suite where all the magic happens. This is a really good sized bedroom, but once again, no overhead fan. So we'll go ahead and put a beautiful fan in here, make this place nice and warm, brand new flooring, all brand new trim. Over here, you do have a custom little desk, which is cool. We'll go ahead and refinish that, put a nice little stool there. Maybe that can be the wife's makeup vanity. I don't know, maybe a workstation, but something cool, just a nice additional little space. We head on in to the master bath. As you'll notice, it's got mirrors all in the closets, and it's nice and dark in here. I apologize. Let me turn on some light. We'll go ahead and take all these countertops out. We're going to once again refinish these cabinets. It does have a nice, cool little vanity spot over here for the wife to do her makeup. I haven't decided yet if we're going to tear this out and do 2 sinks, because it would be nice to have dual sinks in here, but we will see what we decide. Go ahead and take the lighting out of here, put all brand new lighting. In here, you have your toilet closet and your shower. And this is one thing that I'm still deciding, trying to go back and forth on whether or not we are going to tear this shower out and create one big toilet closet. We may just leave this shower, tear all the tile, raise up the shower head to about halfway up that wall, a little bit, maybe a foot higher, because if I stood in there, it would be hitting me in the chest, and I don't think anybody wants a shower like that. So we're gonna go ahead and probably take that shower head, raise it up about a foot, take all this tile out, put a nice beautiful tile in here, and at least give them a nice usable shower. My first idea was to move the drain from here to here, take out part of this closet, and just create one big walk-in shower. I don't think you need all of this closet, so half of this would be shower, the other half would be closet over there, and then you still have that closet there. But we're still in the first day of trying to figure everything out. We are just focused on getting all of this property out of here currently. So right now it's just going back and forth, trying to make decisions, but I will keep you guys posted and let you know what we decide to do. But not a bad start, guys. Let me know what you think. I think it's a beautiful start. This is cleaner and nicer than most of the homes that we first get. So I'm excited to transform this one. As we head back through the living room and back to the back door, it has a nice big slider, but it's not very functional right now. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out. We'll put a nice new slider in, nice custom big black slider. So as you head out to the backyard, once again, lots of property out here, guys. If anybody needs an electric lawnmower, I got you covered. There is some decent stuff out here. So somebody might get some use out of this. But as you can see, a nice big backyard. The fences are all in pretty good shape. We'll probably have to replace these little posts right here on the patio. They look like they have a little bit of rot, but we'll see if we can bring them back. Obviously, we'll refinish this entire fence, get rid of that red, but the roof looks like it's in awesome condition. Gutters are all in awesome condition. As we come to the side of the house over here, lots more property, just lots of junk. We got some work ahead of us, but if you know homes, you'll recognize that that is a newer HVAC system. So another huge bonus, guys. They said they installed that in 2020, so that's a huge bonus. Over here, lots more trash, some wood, a weed eater, some tires. If you need a tire, you got a flat, I got you covered. We'll go ahead and take that wing fence out. That's pretty okie dokie. We'll put a nice, beautiful new wing fence there. Nice gate for the future owners. Here's your other entrance into your garage. There's that fireplace. Looks to be in really good shape. Really, guys, the outside of this place is in good shape. The inside's in good shape. It's super solid, just all cosmetically ugly and gross. So we have a solution for that. That's why we're here. We're gonna get this place looking right and make it something that you never thought it could be. But some big mature trees back here on the other side of the yard. This is a decent sized yard. The future owners can use their vision, use their imagination, and create what they'd like. Over here, we got some other stuff that people left behind, trailer tire, some industrial kind of lawnmower. So if you want that, drop a comment in the box below and I'll let you come pick it up. If you need a new bike for your daughter, throw some tires on that, it'll be ready to rock. But that's it, guys. This is our first build of 2025. I am super excited. We've had a little bit of a late start to the year. The housing market right now is pretty crazy, so we're excited to get this one going. Have an awesome build for you guys, something to keep you guys entertained. But as always, guys, have a blessed day. We love you. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll keep you updated. We'll see you on the next build.